ni ati ataalamu kuma nthini ya Germany ni maruthite kambi NTEERE cia TIGANIA ni kenda gutethia antu maria maturaga na banja cia mwiri indi magite mbeca cia gutungatirwa banja ino. Mamani bamwe na antu maria magwete IREMA kumana na mitino ya barabara mianki na kubia kwa muthemba bamwe na nkiragia mangi mamethirite mugiciarwa na thina taino. Akari maria meumirite kugunika kumana na UTETHIO uyu ni mataririte gikeno kiao makiugaga magatetheka banene ni kenda gucokera na gucokaniria mauturo mao na gwikara tantu mamangi mukirimithika ena riboti ino.
Igitare mtu araikwarieto plastic surgery baba inge bathwana kimetaratara kuthenjo kongelo thongi bwa mwiri na kongela kana kunyigia isunche bimo bya mwiri muno kiriari ndu plastic surgery ni thaira mutaratara yo rigitani kendo chokaniria mantu mwanya mwanya mwirine.
Most people when they are here plastic surgery think about cosmetic stuff, but that's a very small field in this huge area of surgery, because plastic surgery means hand surgery, means reconstructive, means burn surgery, and cosmetic is only the smallest field, I would say. So which we are not doing here. Yeah. So.
We are not doing any cosmetic surgery here, but our primary aim is to help especially people who don't have the means, who don't have the money to afford expensive surgical treatments, and we encourage people, also people who don't have money, let us see what problems they have, and especially functional deformities when they can't move their arms, their limbs, whether they have nerve injuries from birth or from injuries, burn contractures or palsies that are not primarily neurological.
Babenda service ya reconstructive surgeries bomo bethagirwa bachiari bakariu ukethira pengine mtu achiari chiara chiongerekete nkuruki ukethira ongi achiari njare kunjene kana kuguru gutiumba gukinya nthi wega bau bonthe ni tukubathithiria uri achiari kana agwata accident ona kathina zakau
mutaratara yo amwe na boyo tumba ikane antu bonthe baraba uyenda nonto maria yo yomba kwithira ya 50 witia mwanka 400 ile kuringana no tungata bora mtu akwenda.
Antu betu ni bakuthinika muno bagita guchua services ikuraza na uria tukumenya kuthirirwa plastic surgery kana guchokanwa antu athuki Kenya thaino kwina goro muno
nontu bweto mikesi bitari monende NTEERE cietiania ni watanirite na ataalamu bori gitani bo kendo tetheria antu baraba ina thina ikithumba nturene.
They are coming here to help our community. They are plastic surgery specialists, reconstructive surgeries, and also in orthopedics and camp food. So the head of the team is Dr. Dick, and they will be with us here for the next 10 days. This type of services are very rare around our community. And last year we carried out first contact with people, and we saw well over 700 people, and they operated a lot of special cases. So we feel it's a need for the community, and also the team from Germany are willing to help and assist.
Bamwe babara bagunekete no tungata boibona nete nkatho ciao bakio ibarerete ocho tungata NTEERE ingi inde umaria baumbira buru
ndaitu ni murimo wa kuimba kamwimba kaunda sibitari kwa tukaenda mbesa 80 na 80 na suite kuoneka na no kambaetie eti mwangathia kansumute ngasi akwethia ndaibwa gwina UTETHIO ndo wito kambe ntethukiria
ndabatwa na arthritis ndaita St Peter no ndaita St Peter ciontheru ndakwithirwa matiba gukona kwithirwa operation ndaita thina ringi ndaita sibitari etwa Kinjabe ndi kuma Kinjabe operation ya ndatwika kwithirwa ndatwika karuta yanda ikiri no tibathina ingi ikwya ndi mwaka ndi mwanja gutaratha thina ndi ndaibo UTETHIO bure au St John ndi ndaibo twatethwa gotweterete
kandi na kamwimbo kanjumburite na nyama ndi ndaiba kwe mandaitari yite ya ino UTETHIO andi bontu ndauga kambi mbone kithanga tethuka
riu aciari baraba inana bena tuthina mwanya mwanya ibarombi batikaite moyo nontu ana bano batungatirwe na bakabua buru.
Antu betu batwatethirie kagita kathiru mweru ethatu daktari baba bari gukumwe kwa 2023 baba atethirie gita riu already ni to witness itene babwire buru kwogu inywethirwe wina mwana ena ulemavu ana bau ni batethagua gukurukira daktari na bagacoka kwa antu sasawa ozagwe kana ozani na bakaumba kurita ngugi ibagweri kurita.
Nkiripotera Wero TV kuuma TIGANIA Mbeta wa Mukiri gwa Mithika.